Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Amazon Prime account to Twitch to claim free games and monthly channel subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Twitch website at twitch.tv. Log in with your existing Twitch account credentials, or create a new account if needed. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Connections tab in the left sidebar menu to view available account linking options. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Amazon section, then click the Connect button next to Amazon or Prime Gaming. Step 5. You'll be redirected to Amazon's login page. Enter your Amazon Prime account email address and password to proceed. Step 6. Review the permissions that Twitch is requesting and click Allow or Authorize to grant access to your Amazon Prime account. Step 7. Once connected, you'll be redirected back to Twitch. Your Amazon Prime account is now successfully linked to your Twitch account. Step 8. Visit the Prime Gaming page to start claiming your monthly free channel subscription and exclusive in-game content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.